Hi, hello, and welcome in our video. In this video, we will be talking about dashboards. Dashboards are means of displaying various types of data from different sources onto a single page. They can be customized to track any data. You can use dashboards to see high-level overview of your project, team, or workload status. In DOORS Next, we have four types of dashboards: mini dashboard, project dashboard, personal dashboard, and team dashboard. Personal dashboards are useful for displaying information of interest to individual users. So, using personal dashboard, anyone can set up widgets that are most important for them specifically. You can create unlimited number of personal dashboards to suit your different needs. Personal dashboards can be also shared so they are visible to another users. Project dashboards are useful for tracking the status or progress of an entire project at high level. Project dashboards are composed of widgets that provide high-level overview of artifacts and requirements and are scoped to a specific RM project. For example, you can see project-wide issues, reviews, development, and test status. Each project has only one project dashboard. Project and team dashboards are automatically created whenever you first visit the project or team area. This automatic creation of a new dashboard is based on templates. New dashboards are pre-populated with a set of widgets that are designed to help users to get started with the dashboard. And this default set of widgets is determined by the dashboard templates. When a new dashboard is created, it checks whether there is a template that is registered for the particular dashboard type. Those default templates are specified on the server, but project administrators can override them by placing a template in the project process specification. Just note that to create a dashboard template, you need Eclipse IDE. Alright, back to dashboard types. After personal and project dashboards, we have team dashboards, and they are basically the same as a project dashboards, but they are more narrowly scoped for an individual team and tracks the issues of this specific team. And the last one is very different for another because this last dashboard, mini dashboard, are small dashboards that can display a limited number of high priority widgets and is viewable in any context. So what does it mean? To access team dashboard, personal dashboard, or project dashboard, you need to go to the separate page. But to access mini dashboard, you can be in any context in any module, and you can see this mini dashboard in this context. Alright, that was enough theory, let's now jump to the practice. Now we are in a project dashboard. You can navigate to project dashboard by clicking here on project dashboard. You see that we have just one tab here. This tab is called general, but you can change this name. For example, right now I will call it default tab. In this default tab, you have columns, and in those columns, you have widgets. Widgets are basic building blocks of these dashboards. The actual content that is shown in a widget depends on the widget type and the way this instance of this widget is configured. Widgets can be configured in a number of different ways to display different information as a result. Each dashboard can be easily customized many times over the course of the project as needed. This dashboard was created from default template. You can change this dashboard. For example, I can go here and I can remove this widget because I don't want it here. I can, for example, drag and drop these project members here. I can also drag and drop these reviews here. I can go here and create bigger or smaller columns. And I can also create new widgets. So I can go up here to add widgets. And for example, I will click on requirements. And here you have 8 different widgets by default. For example, I can choose my requirements project, add widgets, and now I have it here twice. Never mind, but it doesn't matter. I will close it. And you see, this is now my dashboard. I will delete it again. Okay. And for example, I can click on this arrow here and change its appearance. For example, I would like it to be yellow. Why not? Or I can duplicate this widget or copy this widget or collapse it. See? Expand. Perfect. You can also create another tabs. For example, you can create problem or use case specific tabs. For example, one tab can be for tracking project, another tab can be for tracking requirements, another tab can be for tracking reviews, etc. To create new tab, just click here and you can add widgets. For example, I will add reviews here, requirement views here, and also, for example, requirements tracing. I will save it. Perfect. Close it. And you see I have 3 widgets here right now. Going back, you can also have different number of columns. You can click here on layout and you can have just 1 column or 2 columns or 3 columns. So right now I have 2 columns and I can drag and drop my widgets to create some kind of structure, and I can go back to 3 columns. So you see now I have 3 columns. In this component, I have just limited number of information. So now I can jump to bigger component, this training project. You see right away that I have more information. I have like 10 pages of recent changes and a lot of comments. And also, if I will go to new tab, you see we already see some review here. Right now, we see in this widget just my open reviews, but clicking on this icon, I will see all open reviews. By this icon, I will see all reviews. And with this icon, I can generate report for review. And of course, I can sort the information here if I have tens of reviews here. Perfect. I can also show information from some view. For example, I can go to artifacts. I will go to, I don't know, stakeholder requirements module. And here I am sure I have some high priority artifacts. So I will create filter with priority. And I am searching is any of high, add and close. So those are high priority artifacts. I can save this view. I can make it shared and for all modules. Why not? Excellent. I will navigate back to project dashboard, and here I will select a view. Yes, this project, this component, this configuration module will be stakeholder requirements, and view should be high priority artifacts. And I would like to see 50, although I know there is just few of them. Excellent. And right now I have a view with high priority artifacts. So if I need something to remind me, okay, Igor, there is some high priority artifacts and you should focus on them right now, I can have this view in my dashboard. But this is not my personal dashboard. Again, this is dashboard for entire project and for entire team. If I would like to create my personal dashboard, I need to navigate up here to my name. And here you have personal dashboard. Open my personal dashboard default. Okay, I will not save it, doesn't matter. And this is my personal dashboard. So I can do here whatever I want, me personally, not for my team, just specifically for me, what is important for me. You can also see that even though I just created this personal dashboard, it's already pre-populated with some widgets, and you can again make it yours. So I deleted that widget. You can see show recommended widgets here or create personal dashboard from some template. So for example, I would like to select requirements management, and yes, please, just this training project. Excellent. And it created this dashboard for me. And you see those widgets here are recommended widgets that you can also see here in requirements management section. Of course, you can change the name, and not just for this tab, but for any tab. And you can also change this name of your dashboard. And you can have many dashboards. So by clicking here on personal dashboards, you see my super dashboards, and again Igor admin's dashboard and all personal dashboards and create dashboard. So I will click on create dashboard, and again some template. I will choose just default, finish, and you see this is another dashboard. Second dashboard, and you will see this dashboard here, my super dashboard and second dashboard. By clicking on all personal dashboards, you see I can also see project admin dashboards, Peter dashboards, Oliver's dashboards, so I can see also another dashboard. It's because I am administrator. But if I wouldn't be administrator, I can go to my super dashboard, and here I can share my dashboard. So sharing options, okay. So right now my dashboard is shared, and I can navigate here, or some other users can navigate here, and in all personal dashboards, even though they will not be administrators, they are able to see my dashboard because I shared it. I can prove it by going to Peter's account. Peter is not an administrator, and I can go to personal dashboard, all personal dashboards, and you see my super dashboard by Igor admin. And this is Igor's dashboard, Igor's super dashboard. All right, and that's it for project and personal dashboard. You see, it's very easy, very self-explanatory and user-friendly. So just dive right in and try to play with it, and you will see it's very easy. But to finish this video, I would like to show you one more thing. I will navigate back to artifacts and to any module, doesn't matter right now, and I will click on this icon, and you see there is mini dashboard here. I can pin it, and by clicking on this icon here, I can dock in on left or right. So right now it's on right, and right now it's on left. And I also can paste some widget here or refresh those widgets. All right. And you see I have one widget already here, and I can click and add another one. For example, about me. I don't know why I would do that. Probably not, but okay, this is one of those widgets. Or you can add some bookmark or any description or that views we already talked about. So I can go here and this requirements view or something from review. So you see, you can have a lot of widgets here, but this is not the best place for many widgets. So if you have one, two, or three very important widgets that you are using all the time, then yes, add it to your mini dashboard. But if you have many widgets, just let's create your personal dashboard and have those widgets there. It's not about any limitation of Doors Next, it's just about ease of use and ease of navigate because you don't have much real estate here. Perfect. So mini dashboard works basically almost the same as any other kind of dashboard. The big difference is that to access personal dashboard, you need to jump out of any context, any module, any artifact. But to use mini dashboard, you can be anywhere. You can be in your personal dashboard, you can be in artifacts, in reviews, in reports, really anywhere. All right, and that's it for dashboard. I would really like to encourage you, just go and try it yourself. It's very easy. Okay, and I really hope this video was informative for you, and I look forward to see you in our next videos.